Hey guys, Will here. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a super quick one. Just wanted to do a quick unboxing of this brand new Fanatec ClubSport Formula Carbon steering wheel that I've got for my brand new simulator setup. Now, if you've watched the previous videos, you would have seen I've got a whole bunch of gear. I'm going to be unboxing all of that gear through the next couple of videos and showing you how I'm going to put together a simulator in my house. All the gear I'm going to be using, we're going to be finding out whether this kind of gear actually makes a difference in terms of lap times over a basic Logitech G27 setup, which is what I had previously. Showing you how to set it all up, show you all the button configurations and stuff like that, seeing what kind of a difference it makes. But anyway, let's jump straight into the unboxing. We'll show you what you get for your money if you buy one of these. Okay, so as we had with the wheelbase, which I previously unboxed, we've got writing on the top here as well, which obviously is going to have some sort of a marketing message. So, fireworks, champagne, Grid Girls not included. I like that. If you're not sure what that means, at the start of, or at the end of last year, they announced that there wasn't going to be Grid Girls in Formula One anymore, as under Liberty Media's leadership of the Formula One once they take over all the marketing. So that's a nice little subtle stab there, a bit of a joke. So again, we've got a quick start guide, just like we had with the wheelbase. A lot thinner this time. Set that aside, and we've got attaching the rim. Again, really easy to follow, all nice and clear, and then all of the various different button configurations and stuff like that as well. So let's have a look at the actual unit. Should be a little easier to get out of the box, this one. Oh wow, nice. So really nice Alcantara finish there, and it looks, I'm not sure if that's real carbon or not. It certainly looks like real carbon. It's a very thin layer, but beautiful finish. I think when I ordered all this gear, I honestly wasn't sure exactly what the quality was going to be like. Once I opened up and saw the quality of the wheelbase, I was absolutely amazed. And so I'm actually not all that surprised by the quality of this wheel now, having seen this already. But if I'd opened this first, I would have been absolutely blown away. So we've got a hat switch here, which is directional. So 4 directions. And then we've got a hat switch here, which is omnidirectional. It can point in any direction, like so. And then all the buttons, and the buttons feel really nice. They're nice tactile click as well. And then on the back side, we've got our shifter panels, and again, they feel really nice as well. And our quick release panel here. Obviously, there's a little tab in here which we'll need to release to get that out. So we might just quickly chuck it onto the wheelbase and see what it feels like installed, but really nice to grip. Hopefully the Alcantara lasts well, but I'll obviously let you know how that's going, so if I have any problems with it wearing out, that will be fine. We've got a protected stop button there and our rev counter as well as an LCD screen which can be used for configuration as well as showing speed, RPM and things like that as well. So let's get it chucked onto the wheelbase and we'll see what it feels like. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is remove the little storage pin from the back here. So we push the collar in. It's a little bit hard to do while showing the camera, but we pull that out, align everything. So the alignment mechanism there is kind of, you've got a notch in there which matches a notch here. So we line all that up, make sure it's obviously straight, pull it across, and it just slides on and clicks into place. Simple as that. So I'm sure that will loosen up over time as well, but there's no play in it whatsoever. And it feels obviously really nice on the base as well, but we'll look at that a little bit more in one of the future videos once we've got all this set up and ready to go. So to take it off again, simply push the locking ring in and push on the base. Now obviously when this is mounted properly it's going to be a lot easier, but you just kind of pull it off like so. Okay guys, so that is just a quick look at what you get in the box with your Fanatec ClubSport Formula Carbon steering wheel. Gotta say, I'm really impressed with this bit of kit. It is quite expensive, but for the money, honestly, I was expecting it to be slightly less quality than this actually is. This is a really nice piece of kit, and I can't wait to get it set up. So obviously in future videos, we're going to be showing you how the configuration works, what the various settings are, what the buttons do, how you can configure all of that as well. Got to get it all set up in the sim rig first, so follow through for the whole process. Thank you very much for watching the video, and I will just mention again quickly as well, this isn't a sponsored video at all. I did pay full retail price for this as well, so this is my unfiltered, honest opinion of the product. So stick around. Thank you very much for watching. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already and the notification bell so you don't miss the next video. Thanks for watching. See ya.